Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace new battery in a UPS. For this, you need old UPS and one new battery, right? First, what you have to do, you have to open the existing old UPS. For this, you need one star screwdriver, one brush, right? First, I am going to open this UPS. Surely, there will be 4 screws available in any UPS. In any UPS. This is numeric UPS and APC UPS is generally easy to replace the battery. Without opening the UPS, you can simply replace the battery. See, after open this, yeah, see, so you have to pluck out the wire, then you have to take out the old battery. This is the old battery. Just remove the dust. Just remove the dust. Then take the new battery, right? Remove this, then place into a, right? Then connect the corresponding polarities. That is very important. That is red into red, black into black, right? Yeah, that's all. Now you have to close the UPS. This is very simplest way to replace the that's all. Turn this to like this, right? Then place the screw, right? Yeah, make it tight. That's all. Then turn this. Then switch on. Yeah. Now this green light is getting blink. That means your UPS is getting activated. So now which is ready to use. You can plug into the UPS and connect your devices. Thanking you. This is the way to replace the new battery with an old UPS. Very simple way. Need not to go for the service center. You can replace yourself. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and enjoy all available videos. Have a nice day. Welcome.